Interstate Signways is the leading producer of interstate and road signage and has been for over half a century. Started in 1959 by Frank Lyon, with the help of William Hill and Richard Butler, we were screen printing road signage with what's called a one-armed bandit. We had our own darkroom, and we built our own screens. Later, we would electro-cut vinyl, also called reverse-cut EC film, using a machine to cut out the vinyl lettering that we would place onto the signs ourselves. We kept things in two separate buildings all the way until March 1992, where we moved into our current Little Rock River Port location, offices and warehouse in one. We were still screen printing our own signs, but with the extra space we were able to begin cutting our own aluminum as well. Since then, we expanded to chemically treat our own aluminum to speed up our process and keep consistent, high-quality supply. We were one of the first to implement digital printing, now keeping 3 wide-format inkjet digital printers in-house. Being around for as long as we have means that we see how beneficial technology is to advancing our workflow, increasing productivity, and keeping costs lower for the client. We've also been able to see just how much better materials have become over the decades to improve visibility and safety on the interstate. We stay up to speed on any advancements related to our work to ensure that we stay ahead of the competition, but also to make sure that our products only get better over time. We've come a long way from screen printing, though sometimes the old ways are tried and true. Taking over our own aluminum supply, having our chemical treatment process in-house, the best quality printers, as well as our delivery system and strong team of engineers and designers make Interstate Signways a company that's bound to last for years to come. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave any comments below about what you'd like to see next. Click the link in the description to request an estimate for your next Interstate Signways job. We look forward to hearing from you.